The EETV Box Pro is a 4K Ultra HD streaming device that offers two main troubleshooting methods when issues arise: factory reset and maintenance mode. Factory reset is a complete restoration process that returns your EETV Box Pro to its original manufacturer settings. This means all your personal data, installed apps, and customizations will be permanently removed. While factory reset is highly effective at resolving software-related problems, it requires you to set up your device completely from scratch, including re-downloading apps and reconfiguring all your preferences. Maintenance mode is a specialized diagnostic environment that allows you to troubleshoot problems without losing your personal data. It provides access to system logs and error reports for targeted problem solving. The key advantage of maintenance mode is that it can often resolve issues while preserving your apps, settings, and personal preferences, making it the preferred first option for troubleshooting. Here's a direct comparison between the two approaches. Factory reset provides a complete fresh start, but requires full reconfiguration, while maintenance mode offers targeted fixes with minimal disruption to your settings. To access maintenance mode on your EETV Box Pro, first power off the device completely. Then simultaneously hold both the power button and reset button until the maintenance mode screen appears on your TV. Understanding these two troubleshooting options helps you choose the right approach for your specific issue, whether you need a complete fresh start or targeted problem resolution. The first method for factory reset uses the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then Device Preferences, then Reset, and finally select Factory Data Reset. The second method uses hardware buttons. Power off the device completely, then hold the small reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and allow the device to boot into recovery mode. For maintenance mode access, power off the device, then hold both the power and reset buttons simultaneously. Release the power button while continuing to hold the reset button until the device enters maintenance mode. Once in maintenance mode, use your remote's directional buttons to navigate the menu. Available options include System Diagnostics, Log Viewer, Selective Reset, and Network Diagnostics. Advanced Recovery Mode offers the most user-friendly approach. Access it through Settings, System, Advanced, then Recovery Mode. This provides a guided troubleshooting wizard with partial reset options that can preserve your user data. Remember these key points. Try maintenance mode first to avoid data loss, ensure stable power during any reset process, and use advanced recovery mode when available for the most user-friendly experience.